It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Is that right, fams?
Yep.
Indeed.
These chips taste good.
Why we're even alive?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, real engines are not even supposed to be alive. I just noticed that. That means we're not real engines. Who cares if we're not real engines? We're really useful engines.
That's a great thing.
I'm getting it out of here. Someone take care of my son. You're right, Thomas. Following along. Henry, come on. We have work to do. Move, you stupid children.
Can I at least take the chips?
Yeah, go ahead. Come on, Percy.
James, are you coming?
Why I oughta sleep behind you for the whole night was terrible. You snore.
It's my shed.
Shut up.
Come on, let's go.
I like it when you's not here.
Be quiet.
Okay, come on, Toby. Okay, Emily, wake up. Indeed we are, Toby. Indeed we are. Hello, Harvey. Surprised to see you feeling up like cold early in the morning at 6 a.m. Thomas, I thought you were still asleep. No, bitch. Get used to it. This is my daily wake-up schedule. I got a black eye thanks to Jesus and keep on punching me to death. We'll talk about Jesus and you. Remember that? Shut the fuck up. I'm the one that
Thomas,
made that.
can we come now? Come on, guys.
Thomas, you don't have to be that rude. Yeah, he's still our friend. Bother. Hello. The express coming through. Oh, yeah, I don't have the express for now. Okay, then, Thomas. Okay, then again, let's just get out of here. Everybody on the island server was being really useful. Okay, narrator, you can shut the up and stop saying that. I'm the one that's trying to start off the series, okay? No, you're being very annoying. Just shut the up and let me narrate from now on.
Thomas, why are you being so mean to the narrator?
Want to be mean to you? Exactly. So shut the up. Thomas is puffing it. Fine. That's what I thought. Nick. Oh, hey, you guys. What are you guys doing? Oh, taking cocaine, waiting for you. Wait, what? Want to join? No. I'm just kidding. I allowed you to see white stuff on the ground? No. You're not retarded. Well, anyways, what can I help you out with? Oh, with those trucks over there. Can you, shunt them? Me at work will help. Okay. Hey, at work, can you give me a hand? I don't have fingers. Hey, Arthur, what are you doing? Backing up in the shed. I had enough today. I want to go refill on cold. Okay, then. Hey, Duck, can you give me some fingers? What do you think I am? A murderer? Freddy Krueger, Jason, or what else? Who else out there, kids? Bro, we're not doing that shit again. Leatherface, yep, that's right, Leatherface. I'm not Leatherface. Die. I never said you were. And don't start beef with me, mate. I'm not trying. But you know Scotland twins are the ones to fight. Okay. They Gordon. So this is the new coaches. Yeah. We wait for Gordon. That suck. Okay. Hold on. Gordon! Coming through! Ah! Okay, Gordon. Now sit. Okay. Okay, Douglas, what brings you here? Grab your hands on this coach. I don't even have hands. You have buffers. They're almost like hands. Oh, yeah, that's right. Because they're not. Oh, God. Henry, shut the up. Boogly up, Douglas. I need to get to Knapford Station and take some trains to the mainland. Come on, Henry. Let's zoom in. Zoom through. Bring them darks. Put in your pants. There goes Gordon. So what now, Douglas? Arthur has to take a goods train to the mainland, and we'll have to assemble these trucks. All right then. I am a truck. I do the shit. Wait, you don't even have a butthole. That's my shit. That's a horrible song. Hey, buckle it up, you.
What are you doing, mother?
Wait, who was that?
I'm Gangster Charlie.
Oh, Oliver.
I'm not Charlie. I'm Gangster Charlie.
Wait, where did Hey,
I'm
Oliver,
playing.
Where's Arthur?
I'm playing.
Oh, he just escaped.
Arthur Morgan?
Because you don't want to escape. You don't want to pull that train. I will do it then. I want to get kidnapped by some diesels.
Wait, what? This is body.
No, I'm kidding. I'm not. Hey, someone come behind me, bro.
Okay, what are you guys
Unlike the movie, Thomas, I'm actually smarter.
That's what?
That's comedy gold.
Wait a second, Thomas. Were you supposed to say that's Thomas?
No. Charlie, why are you laughing at me?
Because it sounds like you're
Charlie
laughing.
the bitch.
Why call me little?
It's true. Yeah, he's right.
Let me get this cord handle. How are we even picking up things though? Seriously.
We have hands. As
Maybe.
Thomas chuffed through. Hey! Yo, if I hear your voice, I'm gonna go through the screen right here. And I'm gonna go through the screen and go and kill you. Okay, okay. Let's go to the mainland,
We
Thomas.
barely even see our hands, Thomas.
What about Paxton takes it and said, yeah, if he gets kidnapped, no one will care about him.
I think he heard that.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Paxton,
Becca!
Paxton, carry the train. No, I'll just carry it. Edward, no. People will carry.
Chug,
The whole series will die without you, Edward. No, I don't care.
Why are you spoiling this series? Edward, chugga puff.
Shut the up.
Hey!
Bye, guys. Wait, the truck cars are gonna lose. No, let's chase after him before. Let's just pull on this. Edward! You realize you're not carrying nothing!
What are you doing, Edward?
Let's chase after him.
Chugga.